Hey, my beautiful people, welcome to my channel. My name is Kevin Llamas, and on today's episode, we got When We Were Young Festival 2023 edition. Let's go. Alright, so in this episode we're going to focus on the We Were Young Festival, where to go, how to get here, right, how to pass security without any trouble, right, where to leave your stuff when you're, when you buy everything from the gift shop, and then where to eat once you're hungry, where to get some drinks when you want to enjoy yourself here. So yeah, and where to find the stadiums, the most important part, the stages, where to find the artists, right, the schedule, how's the lineup, how does the whole thing go. So let's go. All right, so how to get here. So actually the event is in the Las Vegas Fairgrounds, right? So it's actually on Las Vegas Boulevard, but away from the strip, towards the edge of the strip, next to Circus, right? So if you park at the strip, Palazzo, Bellagio, the Venetian, whatever's over there, you can park there, leave your car, leave it right there. I recommend it because it's secure. They have security. Parking garages have cameras there, and it's not that expensive. And then walk from there, enjoy a Fat Tuesday along the way, or something, whatever drink you want. Enjoy it along the way here. That way you have an empty cup and refill it at the hydration station. But yeah, leave it there. You'll be secure. That way you can walk back and then maybe hit up a casino after the event. But yeah, so the event has no parking whatsoever. There's no official parking here. So it's something to keep in mind when you arrive here at the airport, or if you're coming from a road trip. Yeah, there's no parking for this event. All right, so as soon as you walk in and pass through security, there's actually four stations of security. There's one that will check your ID, actually three. So one that will check your ID, see if you're over 21, so you can drink. They give you a pink bracelet. So at least this year it's pink. But yeah, they check your ID. They have you go through metal detectors, right, to see if you have nothing dangerous, of course. They don't allow any backpacks or large bags here, so they do allow clear small bags, like a clutch size, from what I saw on the websites. Inclusively on your ticket it says what you can bring, right, what's not permitted. No selfie sticks either. But yeah, once you walk in, they will scan your ticket, right, green light. Once you're in, you're gonna see this arc right here. Make sure you take a picture, right, put it on your social media, whatever you want to do, but make sure, for your memories, boom, right there, you can't miss that, right? So it's the same thing as last year, right? And then once you pass that sign right there, you're gonna have all the fun, right? There's where all the fun is at. So what I mean by fun is that you're gonna see all four stages where the artists play. So there's actually 54 artists playing this year, right? The top ones in my list, at least, is Green Day, 30 Seconds to Mars, Blink-182, Pierce the Veil, Gym Class Heroes, The Veronicas, Rise Against, right? I wish they actually had 20 Seconds. I mean, not 20 Seconds. So I wish they had Panic at the Disco and The Killers. That would have been an awesome lineup to this event. Maybe next year, we'll see. We'll find out who comes in. But at least we have those artists coming in, so they're awesome. Good Charlotte is another one that's coming in. I don't know if I mentioned that right now, but yes. So a lot of good artists compared to last year. Last year we had Paramore and My Chemical Romance as the top two artists last year. But this lineup is awesome. So yeah, there's four stages here, four stages where artists play at the same time, four at a time, of course. But they're separated enough so that way you don't get interference from one group to another. So you won't hear two bands at the same time play and ruining your experience. So they planned that out really good here. That way you can focus on your favorite band and listen to them. Now, one thing to keep in mind, since there are 54 artists playing here and only 12 hours of the event, which starts from 11 to 12 o'clock at night, midnight. There's four artists playing. You got to choose which artist you want to listen to the most, because some will conflict the schedule. They might play at the same time at a different stage, so keep that in mind. They do release the lineup. That way you can check in advance which artists you would like to see. And yeah, one thing to keep in mind when you're outside before walking in, if you don't have a ticket, you see some vendors out there trying to sell you a ticket, but watch out because it might be a duplicate. And if you walk in, it's not going to work, and then they just scam you out of $300, $400. So it ain't worth it. All the tickets, they're online. They actually announced at the beginning of the year in January, I believe, when they released the tickets, and they actually sell out quick, really, really, really quick. I was lucky to get waitlisted on the second day, which is today, Sunday, and yeah, so I'm here. But everything's done online. There is no ticket booth here to buy tickets when they're released. Everything is online, right? But keep in mind, if you buy a ticket, you cannot resell it through the official website from the We Were Young because they don't have that service. So keep in mind, make sure you check your calendar. Make sure you can't come and nothing comes. No other date sabotages your fun here in this event. All right. So here, all the way around the whole event, there's bars and restaurants. Between the bars, you will find restaurants with all kinds of food. You got Chinese food, Mexican food, American food. Everything you want, you'll find it here. Burgers, hot dogs, pretzels, tacos, ramen, everything, literally. The prices do range from $10 to $20, $30, depending on what you would like to eat. Right, keep in mind, it is an event, prices are going to be higher, but if you want to save some money, you could always leave the event and come back in. They'll give you a bracelet. That way you can enjoy something outside and then come back in without any worries, about not getting re-entry. So you could always do that option. Same thing with the drinks. So since you're in the event, the drinks cost a bit more and they're really small. You could always drink outside. There's a Fat Tuesday close by where you can buy a drink, and then you could bring the cup in, get a free refill on water once you're inside, right? Bring the empty cup. So yeah, keep that in mind. All right. So if you're one of those who go all out on the souvenirs, right, or whatever you buy in here, there's actually lockers that you can put your stuff in. There's a cost to that as well. But yeah, there's 4 stations here where they sell merchandise from the official event. A bit pricey, $35 what it cost me last year to buy a shirt from the event. But there's also vendors outside before the event, before you walk in, pass through security, where they sell you shirts for $10. But there isn't that many many options like in here. And here there's like, I think 10 different models of shirts. So plenty to choose from, different sizes, men's and women's. All right, so the event is actually in October. So it is quite a bit hot here. Not as hot as like if you were to come here in July in Vegas, but it is quite hot and it is really sunny. Make sure you bring your sunscreen. So that's a pro tip right there, sunscreen. They do allow you to bring that in for the event because they understand the heat, the sun, you want to get extra toasted out here, right? So yeah, make sure you bring a sunblock. All right. So people here know that it's really sunny, hot, 30 days. So they actually have these areas of shade where they release water, sprinklers of water right there. So that way you can cool off. If there's a band you're not really interested, right, go sit in the shade, enjoy yourself, right? You can sit down there. There's actually like artificial grass right there. That way you can relax, right, until your next artist comes up. Then you go, boom, let's go. Now this event is anybody can come in, any age. I've seen children here. So as long as, if you're over 21, make sure you get your bracelet, show your ID if you want to drink. Otherwise, enjoy the show.
We came here today all because of you. Every single one of you. Every single one of us in this fucked up family. Put your hands in the air, come on! That's what it is. This is family, right? This feels familiar, right? This feels like home to me. And you feel like family. And we do it all because of you. Are you ready? All because of you! All because of you!
Seconds to Mars. people are seeing us for the very first time? Raise your hand. And how many people have seen us before tonight? Raise your hand. Well, to all the old school, good to see you again. Yes, you're getting older. I can see it from up here. And for all the new people, what the fuck took you so long? Jesus.
Alrighty, y'all, and that is a wrap. Thank you so much on joining me on this episode of the We Were Young Festival 2023 edition. I hope you like the tips and tricks I showed you, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Any comments, concerns, let me know in the comment box. I'll respond to you as soon as possible, and follow me on my social media. Take care, y'all. Until next time.